do is you stand in judging of your portion. And one suggestion I make...
Just doing a test video. See if this battery's any good. This is our room. Unfortunately, we got stuff all over the place. Just wanted to just give us a quick glimpse into this place. I don't think I filmed in here. Yeah, here's the little bathroom. The shower. Well, we got stuff hanging in there. Yeah, it's a cool place. Love it. Here, Hunt. Wave.
How should you act? As well as you can, given the information you've got. Will you act perfectly, even if you think you're the best person? Absolutely not. Let's say you have to be very careful on other things, because you know what is right in your personal concept of right on everybody else. You may turn out, historically, there's never been anyone who has escaped this to be wrong. So, what I was originally raised